Global financial news never stops. Markets open across time zones, governments release data, central banks speak, and events unfold continuously. The challenge is not finding information. It is deciding what is reliable and what actually matters. Start with the source. Prefer official data, central bank statements, company filings, and established institutions over anonymous posts or dramatic summaries. A secondary article can be useful, but the original release shows what was actually said or measured. Separate the event from the market reaction. A strong economic report may be good for the economy, but cause shares to fall if investors think interest rates will stay high. The headline and the price response are different pieces of information. Check expectations and timing. Markets react to the gap between reality and what was expected. Also note when information was released and which markets were open. A move in Asia may be responding to news that arrived after another region closed. Use several indicators. One number rarely defines the global outlook. Growth, inflation, employment, credit, trade, and financial conditions should be read together. Revisions also matter because early data can change. Avoid confusing urgency with importance. Live commentary may magnify every price move, but many changes are noise. A useful question is whether the news changes long-term cash flows, policy, risk, or the assumptions behind your plan. For example, a reader sees a dramatic headline, checks the original central bank statement and expected forecast, and discovers the market moved because the wording differed slightly from expectations. Global markets, regulations, and investment access vary from one country to another, and they change over time. Markets can fall, currency movements change returns, and geopolitical events are unpredictable, so check what applies where you live. The main lesson is simple. Following global news requires reliable primary sources, context, expectations, and multiple indicators, not fast reactions to isolated headlines.